Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate with coffee. First, gather your ingredients. About 500 grams of quality cocoa beans and 25 grams of freshly roasted coffee beans. Begin by carefully cleaning your cocoa beans, discarding any imperfect ones. Then, lightly roast your coffee beans for about 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius to bring out their aromatic notes, preparing them for infusion. Next, it's time to roast your cocoa beans. Spread them evenly on a baking sheet and roast at 120 to 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 35 minutes, listening for a popping sound. After roasting, cool them rapidly to halt the cooking process. Then, crack the beans and winnow them, which means separating the crunchy cocoa nibs from their papery husks. This step is crucial for a smooth chocolate. Now we'll transform the nibs into chocolate liquor. Place your cocoa nibs into a melanger or stone grinder. As they grind, the friction will create a smooth, liquid cocoa mass. After about 2 hours, gradually add about 200 grams of sugar, 50 grams of cocoa butter, and your finely ground coffee. Continue conching for at least 12 hours to achieve a silky texture and blend the coffee flavor perfectly. Finally, we temper the chocolate for a beautiful shine and snap. Heat your dark chocolate to 50 to 55 degrees Celsius, then cool it down to 27 to 29 degrees Celsius while stirring constantly. Reheat it slightly to 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. This precise temperature control ensures a stable crystal structure. Pour the perfectly tempered chocolate into your chosen molds and let it cool, and set completely at room temperature for several hours before enjoying your homemade coffee-infused chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.